Hello everyone, I welcome you all. In today's video, we are continuing the topics of the chapter India's size and location. Let's recall what we discussed in the previous video. We discussed about the central location of India in Asia continent and the southern extension of India. The central location of India in Asia continent and the southern extension of India and the significance of Indian Ocean in India and India's relationship with the world. Do you know the neighbor countries of India, where they located and which countries has land boundaries with India and sea boundaries with India? So today in this video we will discuss about India's neighbor countries. India occupies an important strategic position in South Asia. As we discussed in the earlier classes that India has a central location in Asia. So today we will discuss about India's neighbor countries. They are Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and Maldives. So these are the neighbor countries of India. First, we will discuss about its land boundaries. So, Pakistan and Afghanistan has the land boundaries from this side. Afghanistan has the very short land boundaries with India and it is situated in the northwest side. From China, Nepal and Bhutan. So it is situated in the north side and Myanmar and Bangladesh. So it is situated in the east side. And the southern neighbor across the sea are the two islands Sri Lanka and Maldives. So it has the sea boundaries. So in this slide we have seen that India's neighbor country Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Bhutan, Nepal, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and Maldives. Let us know more about Sri Lanka and Maldives. Do you know which channel separated Sri Lanka from India? Sri Lanka is separated from India by a narrow channel, Park Strait and a Gulf of Mannar. Park Strait, a narrow piece of sea that joins Tamil Nadu state of India and Zafran district of Sri Lanka. And it also connects the Bay of Bengal and the Park Bay. It also joins. And the Gulf of Mannar is a shallow bay. The Gulf of Mannar is a shallow bay and it lies between the southern east of India and the west coast of Sri Lanka. Maldives Island is situated in the south of Lakshadweep Island. So suppose Lakshadweep Island is here and Maldives situated here. India stands apart from the rest of Asia. How? Let us see. India stands apart from rest of Asia because of its physical features. Like in the west, it has desert area. In north, it has Himalayan mountains. And in the south, it has a large coastline. So that is why it separates and it's apart from the rest of Asia. As we discuss the boundaries of and the borders of India, do you know how many states are there in India? And which state has an international border and which state has no international border? First, we will discuss about Indian states and union territories. So, what are the states? The states that governed by state government and union territories governed by central governments. How many states in India? India has 28 states and 8 union territories. And which are they? Andaman and Nicobar Island, Chandigarh, Dadar and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, Delhi, Lakshadweep and Puducherry. So these are 8 union territories we have discussed. Since 20th June 2020, India has 8 union territory, and it is also mentioned in your text that India has 9 union territories, and it was before 2020. So now the latest data is India has 8 union territories. So 9 here is wrong and 8 is right. How? Because Daman and Diu and Dadar and Nagar Haveli have become a single union territory. First, it was different, like Dadar and Nagar Haveli is considered as a one union territory, and Daman and Diu is another union territory. Now it is merged. Now the both union territory has merged, and its capital is Daman. So the number of union territories has come down to 8 from 9. From 9 it has become 8. And in special status given to Jammu and Kashmir under Article 370 and its division into 2 union territories. First it was Jammu and Kashmir the whole, and now it has the division like Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. And we have Indian states: Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Himachal, Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, and so many. So there are 28 Indian states. Let us know more about Indian states. Which is the smallest state of India? So Goa is the smallest state of India. Which is the largest state of India according to the area, not about the population. According to the area, Rajasthan is the largest state, and according to the population, Uttar Pradesh has the largest population. Now we will discuss about the states with international border. So we start from Pakistan. So Gujarat, Rajasthan and Punjab, and Jammu and Kashmir was a union territory now. So we only discuss Gujarat, Rajasthan and Punjab, which has the international border with Pakistan. And from China, it has Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand and Sikkim. And for Nepal, it's Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar. And Bhutan, it's Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. And for Bangladesh, it has West Bengal, Assam, Meghalaya and Tripura. And for Myanmar, it has international border with Mizoram, Manipur and Nagaland. So now we will discuss about the states without international border. These are Haryana, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Telangana and Chhattisgarh. And states that lies on the coast are these are the coastlines. So Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and West Bengal. So we have discussed about the smallest state, largest states, states with international border, states without international border, and states that lies on the coast. So today we discuss about India's neighbor countries, land boundaries and sea boundaries, and Indian states and union territories. I also have one question for you. Please write in the comment section that which union territory merged into Daman and Diu. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and share it with your friends and family. Thanks again.